Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on my Dastarkhwan. Today I will be sharing with you the recipe of tandoori chicken, which I'm going to be making at the beach. This is a day prior to going to the beach, and I'm just going to be marinating my chicken. This is my first marinade I'm going to be doing, and I have taken 4 chickens. So these are 4 whole chickens, which I am actually going to cut into I have cut into 4 parts. So one chicken is divided into 4 parts, and I'm going to cut out these extra not required pieces, which is like I'm going to keep it aside, and these are and can use it later, for soups or other things, but I'm just making it something that a real tandoori chicken would look, so it didn't have these extra pieces like the neck piece and all. I have kind of made 4 gashes in this, that is just to help the marinade to go deep and get absorbed by the chicken through the bones. So I'm going to go ahead and do it with all of my 4 chickens. And we were around 8 people. So I had taken 4 chickens, so 4 into 4 means 16, that everybody could get two pieces of chicken. Of course, the kids don't eat that much. They are happy with 1 piece, but of course it's good to have equal number of just that was the math that I did. Anyways, I have now cut all my chicken. I've prepped all my chicken. I made those gashes which is required for the marinade to go seep into it and make it so flavorful. And this is my 3 teaspoons of salt I'm going to add. So the math that I took was 1 teaspoon of salt for each chicken. So 3 teaspoons I'm adding over here, and the 4th teaspoon I will add during the second marinade, which I will prepare. Now again, I have 1 lemon for 1 chicken. So I have 4 chickens here, so I've used juice of 4 lemon for this part. And moving on, this is the last of the final marinade. This is red chili powder, 2 tablespoons I've added. So again, you can say if you were using 2 chickens, it would be 1 tablespoon. So just that is the math. And I was just going to I've gone all in my bare hands, because that chili was not really spicy. It was really fine, but you can wear gloves and do this. Anyways, I'm going to rub it in really well. I'm making sure that all these spices are rubbed deep inside these gashes, which will kind of help when these marinate. All the flavors will go deep inside the chicken and marinate it completely. So also, you could find the written recipe on my website, and where you'll find everything in detail in description if you want to. And the second marinade I've started to make 2 hours later. I had let my chicken with my first marinade for 2 hours in the fridge. You can actually leave it out, but if it's going to be more than 2 hours, then you have to put it in the fridge. So 2 hours is okay outside. I've taken 3 cups or 1.5 cups of yogurt, and I'm going to take orange color, a pinch of it, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Like I told you earlier, I had 1 teaspoon of salt is being added to the second marinade. I have taken 2 teaspoons of paprika, which gives a very beautiful taste to this tikka or tandoori chicken. 3 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. I'm also taking 4 teaspoons of garlic. So a lot of garlic goes in here. And I'm taking 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. So heaped spoons of ginger paste. Mix it well. And at this point, I'm also going to add in my oil, which is 2 tablespoons of oil. Any oil, any vegetable oil will do. You can actually use butter also, but oil is preferable. And I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of actually black pepper powder. So these are the things. The oil and the black pepper powder was something that I added in the end, because I actually forgot at the beginning. So without forgetting, I've added all those things, and now my chicken is ready for the second marinade. Again, like the first marinade, I'm going to make sure that I have rubbed in, and each of my chicken is coated with this marinade. So rub it pretty well, and this is going to be ready. You just put it in the fridge overnight. It is really important. Overnight is you'll give you the best results, but at least a minimum of 2 hours you have to soak. So this is all done, and it's going to go in the fridge. And from here on, you can I will talk less, and you will watch how it happened. Next day we were going to go in the morning to the beach, and the weather was amazing. It was last week that we did this barbecue. So hop on.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was.
So we reached the beach, and it was an entry ticket, and each of my little helper was assigned a task. Each one had to carry something, and we found a beautiful small little place to do. These beaches have a barbecue area. They have provided with these barbecue boxes where you can actually prepare and do your stuff. hope that you enjoyed this video. It was very, very beautiful evening, beautiful night, beautiful weather. It was amazing to have thing. See you in another video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.